The last 2 years have had a significant impact on e-commerce, and many people have recently discovered how much they enjoy shopping online, even after physical stores reopened. The shift to online retail is still gaining traction, and you can capitalize on it even more by tapping into the most popular e-commerce niches and products for 2022. Welcome back to our channel E-commerce Know-How, and today we're going to discuss the best e-commerce niches of 2022. Number 7. Phone accessories. In the same way that beauty products have their own sub-niche, the phone accessory niche, another popular e-commerce category, has its own for the latest gadgets, contraptions, and add-ons that weren't as readily available a few years ago. The recent success of TikTok, in particular, adds to the demand for enhancing a phone's capabilities. Ring lights are a recent trend that are ideal for adding professional-level lighting to selfies and video calls. Phone tripods and mounts are also becoming more popular as a hands-free alternative to holding your phone while filming or talking. Magnetic phone accessories, such as chargers and mounts, may have outlived their usefulness, but there is still enough interest in them to make them a viable option in 2022. Number 6. Elegant lighting design. Chic new lighting products, which fall under the category of home decor, are on the rise. The best part for retailers is that they can be tailored to any niche simply by selecting the appropriate styles and tastes. Neon signs, particularly custom neon signs, have seen an increase in online search frequency. Although LED light searches are down from last year, there is still a lot of interest in LED trees, LED car lights, and fairy lights as we enter the new year. Number 5. Hardware and tool supplies. DIY crafts and home improvement have grown in popularity as people have more free time at home. While standard toolkits may appear to be a household necessity, more specialized tools, including some power tools, are now gaining popularity. Power drills and hand tool cutters, in particular, were among the top trending products on Shopify in 2022. Some tools can be further customized to your audience by the material used, such as wood or metal, as well as pricing tiers. Number 4. Household decorative items. Household items are too general to be niche, but you can tailor them to your specific audience by focusing on specific styles and artistic tastes. This way, regardless of who your customers are, you can capitalize on the specific items that have been increasing in online searches. We take pillows and kitchen towels for granted, but both are becoming increasingly popular as we approach 2022. Similarly, newer products like weighted blankets are becoming more common in shopping searches. Number 3. Athletic-inspired clothes. While it's difficult to predict fashion trends, athletics-inspired clothing appears to be here to stay through 2022. This includes both sportswear and casual wear designed in that style. Athleisure, such as designer sweatpants, relaxed-fit yoga shorts, or branded pullovers, is one of the most popular right now. Sports bras, which began as exercise garments, are now making their way into everyday casual wear. Shapewear is a popular product from a few years ago that still has strong product searches today, despite not being in the same niche. Number 2. Home office supplies. With so much remote work during the pandemic, it's no surprise that the market for home office equipment is expanding. Even as the majority of the workforce returns to their offices, there is still a sizable number of people who have decided to make remote work a permanent option, and those people require home office furnishings. Office chairs and footrests are becoming increasingly popular in online stores. Similarly, interest in all types of desks, including sit-stand desks, has increased. Furthermore, these remote workers require stationery supplies and other office equipment, such as ergonomic mice and a wide range of computer accessories. Number 1. Dog supplies. Finally, we have a new segment of an old niche. For years, general pet products have been a cornerstone of e-commerce, but recently, dog products have seen increased interest. That's not to say that products for cats or other pets are declining, but something about dog owners, in particular, is driving them to shop more. The standard dog products, such as dog bowls, toys, and treats, are still as effective as ever, so that's a good place to start. Dog supplements appear to be in high demand recently, coinciding with the popularity of human supplements. Dog beds sparked a lot of interest in 2021, and all indications are that they will end the year on a high note as well. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about these e-commerce niches? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.